Well, we're in here taking apart the interior.
Right, we'll start here?
Yeah. Is that money? No.
Oh, hopefully. It's all very clean in there.
I'm glad you know what you're doing.
I don't. I'm just winging it, really. It's like,
I feel like that's supposed to come out first.
there's two things in here.
Nice.
Oh, I see the problem with the windows. They've decided to wire it in themselves. That's why the windows aren't working properly. They've done some sort of soldering weird window job. I'm a professional. Alright. There's more somewhere, probably. There's like these side panel things. I think you've got some on your side too. Like up on this side, but I think I'm undoing the wrong one, so that's helpful. And I go yes, and now I'm going to undo this one here. That's the one you don't undo. It's only done 180,000 Ks.
You wouldn't know, would you?
No. Have you got any on yours? You got some, if you take the glove box out.
Yep. Oh, there's screws down there.
Do you have one down here for you?
No.
Oh, that's handy. Okay. Delightful.
With lots of love and care, right there.
So that's many things. No, we're good.
Aaron's opened up the door so we don't look like we're doing something dodgy in here when it fogs up.
Making OnlyFans. Okay. Apparently my hand can't bend in that direction. It's just so many crumbs. We'll take out this part here next, and through the dash I guess, and then around the glove box. What else we got around this ones? Not a great deal, just those two at the top. Into here. There we go. And then should be that, apart from all the plugs on it. There you go. That is many things. Next, aircon.
There's another one down there.
Oh. So much stuff to unplug on this one. I should have brought a smaller flathead with me, eh? I've acquired a smaller flathead. I don't know if it's actually going to work now. Oh my god, it is amazing. There's another word for it. There we go. Many things. All works.
Alright guys, we're going to call it there. This is all we're going to do for the day, so follow us for more videos and we'll get back into it tomorrow.